Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video we are going to see that if you are using Axis mobile application for all your transaction, and if you're doing frequent transaction with a particular account, but each and every time you are entering the details manually, so you can easily skip that by adding a pay in Axis mobile application. So how you can do that? Let's not waste the time, let's see that. So all you have to do is you have to open the application first. After opening the application, you have to log in. So once the login process is completed, we are on the home page. On the home page, we can see multiple options, like we can check out the account balance, some recent transaction over here. And now to add pay, all you have to do is you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you do get an option of send money, and below that you can check out the two accounts which I have already added as a pay, but in your case there might be only this option. So if you want to add a new pay, all you have to do is you have to click on add new option. So there are multiple ways of adding pay. So this is the very first one. So if you select add pay, we are on the next page. On this page, if the pay has Axis account, you can select Axis Bank Pay, but the person whose account you are adding in the application is he has or she has another account of different bank, you have to select other bank pay. So this is the simple step. This is the first step through which you can add pay. Now the second one is you have to click on pay option on the home screen, then on send money option, and on the next page you do get an option of add pay over here. So if you click on add pay, now you can see we go to the same page which we saw on the first step. So the next step is you have to directly click on pays option over here in send money, and also on this page you do get an option of add pay. So eventually, if you follow any step, we are going to go on this particular page over here. So after that, you have to select other bank pay, and if you are adding the account whose bank is different, so in that case you have to select this option. Now you have to enter the payee name, nickname, account number. You have to confirm the account number and the IFSC code, and then you have to click on add pay. So I'll do that very quickly. So after entering the details, all you have to do is you have to click on add payee option. Now you will get a pop-up message like you have to confirm all the details, and once you confirm the details, click on confirm. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. So all you have to do is you have to enter that OTP over here, and once you do that, you have to click on confirm OTP. As soon as we confirm OTP, now you can see pay added successfully. So we are redirected to the transaction page. So if you want to do any transaction, you can directly do it from here. Enter the amount and just click on proceed, enter the pin, and the transaction will be done. So these are the simple steps, guys. Now you can see, now you don't have to enter the details manually each and every time. So if you want to do the transaction, all you can do is on the home screen, you can just scroll down. You can directly select the payee to whom you want to transfer the amount, as you can see. And once you do, you just have to enter the amount and you have to proceed. Now these are the simple steps by which you can easily save your time and do the transaction. Now there is one more thing which I want to tell you, is that if you go on send money option, now you can see the newly added pay is here. So as soon as you add a new pay, so there is a limitation that you will be able to do only 10,000 rupees of transaction for 24 hours with the newly added pay. So you cannot do transaction more than 10,000. After 24 hours, you will be able to do more transaction than 10,000. So that is the one thing which you have to keep in mind. So these are the simple steps, guys, which you have to follow to simply add pay in Axis mobile application. So if you like this video, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.